Hello to all my subscribers. This is Jatin from GR Luxury Residences. Hope you all are doing well. And it's a Friday evening. Hope you all are doing well. It's a Friday evening, and I was just sitting in the terrace of my home. So basically, I am also from Delhi only. So I put up in North Delhi. So lockdown is for all of us. I am also sitting at home only in lockdown. So my request to all my viewers that please don't step out of home until and unless it's very important. And देखो भाई business तो होता रहेगा. So what I feel is the only purpose of making the video is like this is not the time to do business. See, I am not interested in doing any business right now. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा सिचुएशन ख़राब है. Situation is like pandemic is going on. It's getting worse and worse. So we can do business later on. And my humble request to all my clients who have already bought something from me, and to all the clients who are willing to buy, that please relax, please sit at home, and please take care of yourself. If you really want to step out, please step out to help somebody. See, the purpose of making the video is today, see, nobody can do anything. The pandemic is on its peak. So, what we can do is we can help out each other. Business, I'm not worried about the business. We can do business anytime. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बाद में भी सब नॉर्मल हो जाएगा तो सब काम कर लेंगे. अभी व्लॉग बना के किसी प्रॉपर्टी को शो करना मेरा मन नहीं मान रहा है. I am not at all interested. If possible, people who know me, people who are connected to me, please take care of your loved ones. Please take care of the people around you. The pandemic is going on. And see, there's no point to like you come to Gurgaon, you want to check out the property, सब काम चलते रहेंगे. अभी टाइम है एक दूसरे का ध्यान रखने का. आप बिजनेस के पीछे मत जाइए, अपना ध्यान रखिए. और business we can do anytime, no problem. See, even I am getting the inquiries to like every day I am getting 3-4 calls easily, 5 calls also in a day, and everybody wants to buy some property in Gurgaon. So inquiries are there, doubts are there, or people are calling me to ask like, do you have some desperate deal? So desperate deal will always be there, सब चलता रहेगा. Abhi, you need to take care of yourself, you need to take care of your loved ones, and I'm not in any kind of hurry. I'm not a greedy person like I want to do business right now. Yes, if only if you call me, then I can clear your doubts as much as possible. आपकी कोई भी inquiries हो, no problem. लेकिन इस टाइम पे वीडियो एक डाल के मैं अपनी मार्केटिंग करूँ, this is not me. I'm not willing to do all that. I'm sitting in the balcony, and I know everybody who is involved with me, who is doing business with me, or who is willing to buy some property, they must be financially sound. So if you are financially sound, then please try to help out others who are in need, who don't have any work to do. And see, people are really very much disturbed these days. Pandemic is going on. Somebody is needing that Remdesivir injection. Then somebody is in need of oxygen. If you have good funds and if you are fit and fine, please try to help them out. And you can buy property anytime. Property is not going to end anytime. So try to help each other, try to help others. And it's not the right time. We should think about earning profit. We should think about doing business. So this is the right time. If you want to help somebody, that's the best thing you can do. We need to think about ourselves. We need to think about people who are in connection with us. See, we can't go deaf. We can't go blind. We are checking out news every time. Today, I can't tell you. I am in most of the WhatsApp groups of my friends and relatives and family and business people. Many of groups are there on my WhatsApp. So what I am checking out is like every day I am saying rest in peace, RIP. Either I am messaging once or I am messaging twice. RIP, RIP, rest in peace. What does that mean? How can I help anybody? If somebody has lost a family member, then my RIP would not do anything. So I request all of my clients, all of the people from Delhi, all of the people from all over India to take care of themselves and please don't think much about this pandemic. Things will get better, things will get better and better with time. So we need to be positive all the time and do no need to panic. Like if you panic, then situation might get worse. No need to panic, everything will be fine. It's a viral infection and you need to take precaution, like you can take nebulizer and steam every time. And sorry for not uploading any video. I got few clips in my mobile phone, so but I don't feel like uploading them. So business will be done later on. Let everything gets fine, no problem. We can do business later on, but today what we need is like we need to help each other. And I know people who are in connection with me or who wants to buy some property are financially very much sound. They can help the needy person. Please try to help everybody and see if somebody wants oxygen and you have sources, you can provide them oxygen. At least we can do this much. And there are many people who lost their job, who are not able to do any business. So we must help them out. And it's my humble request to all the people from Delhi and Gurgaon to please help each other. Check out who all needs you. If somebody wants food, you can provide food. If somebody wants dry ration, you can provide dry ration. So please try to help others. And this is thank you from their luxury floors. And it was nice. It was today's vlog was all about helping the needy person. And we are not deaf, we are not blind. We can see what all is happening all around us. So we should stop thinking about earning profits and doing businesses. So the situation demand is like we should help. We should help humanity. We should help people around us, and we should take care of us, and we should also take care of our loved ones. So again, this Jatin this side from JR Luxury Floors, and I would love to help anybody if anybody is in need, and your identity will not be disclosed to anybody. So please go and help out everybody. So if somebody needs from me, any help from me, then their luxury floor is always there for you. So please don't hesitate, don't be humble to ask for any kind of help. And this is Jatin Rohra signing off from JR Luxury Floors. Thank you very much.